Everyone talking about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But right now, we have some leaks and rumors regarding the Samsung another phone. Yes, we have early glimpse at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with the 6th generation of Galaxy Fold flagship lineup. And everyone is surprised because first time in the Samsung history, Samsung show their foldable phone in a completely different way. Samsung is not used skinny, hard to their narrow screen. According to Samsung pattern, they show a noticeable thinner design with a proper wide outer screen. According to Samsung pattern, this is how the Z Fold 6 could look, which is a very, very good. We still have 7 to 8 months to see the official launch of the Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6. We see a design change in the Z Flip 5 last year, and now we hope to see big design change Z Fold 6, especially with Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 having practically the same design. I really wish Samsung turned Z Fold 6 design into the reality. We have another news for you guys. According to rumors, Samsung is use a big battery in the Z Flip 6 as compared to the Z Flip 5. Samsung is use 4,000 mAh battery in the inside Z Flip 6. Talking about the Z Flip 5, Samsung is use 3,700 mAh battery inside the Z Flip 5. When we talk the design, we also see some changes when it comes to the internal folding mechanism of the Z Fold 6. We are expecting to see not only enhanced durability, but also a massive reduction to the crease of the big main display. And after implementing titanium on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is expected that the Fold 6 will be Samsung's first flagship folding phone to have a titanium build for added protection, as well as an increase in the premiumness now, along with the Fold 6 and the Flip 6. Samsung is also working really hard on their Galaxy XR headset. Samsung is working hard to make this product official at the same Unpacked event where they unveil their next folding phones. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy Z Fold 6.